This week, America came together to salute our veterans, to express our appreciation to all who served so that we might live free.
It's hard for me to express my appreciation, my admiration for the President of the United States, Barack Obama.
And I want to express particular thanks to Chancellor Merkel and the German people, because it's not easy to look into the past in this way and acknowledge it and make something of it, make a determination that they will stand guard against acts like this happening again.
And I want to express my commitment that we will strive to implement those benchmarks, not because they are for the international community, but because for ourselves, it gives people of Zimbabwe freedom and the opportunity to grow.
So if I can express a hope, I really hope we can build a direct and friendly relationship with President Obama.
And my hope is that the Iranian people will make the right steps in order for them to be able to express their voices, to express their aspirations. Let me express my thanks and appreciation for the visit from President Arroyo. As we discussed during our meeting here and our delegation, the relationship between the United States and the Philippines dates back many years. It is a
No words can adequately express what I am feeling.
I'd like to express my gratitude to President Obama for the confidence he's shown in me with this nomination and for his unwavering support for a strong and independent Federal Reserve. It has been a particular privilege for me to serve with the extraordinary colleagues throughout the Federal Reserve System.
I said this when I had a chance to speak to some of the NYPD leadership team last month over the phone, but I particularly want to express my appreciation and admiration for your terrific work, especially in the recent weeks. So we want to just express our appreciation for the outstanding work that successive governments in Botswana have been able to accomplish. It was made clear by the jobs report that we received this morning. Although we lost fewer jobs than we did last month, our unemployment rate climbed to over 10%, a sobering number that underscores the economic challenge. Even as we gather here this morning, people are gathering all across America, not only to express thanks of a grateful nation, but to tell stories that demand to be told. Let's hope that Martin Scorsese was kidding when he said that Robert is full of something that he wanted to express. But don't worry, we did a vet on him before he came in tonight. I also want to express my admiration for the thousands of Americans on the ground in Iraq, for our civilians and our men and women in uniform who continue to support our Iraqi partners.
I wish to express my solidarity vis-à-vis President Obama in condemning the settlement process.
Some express gratitude, some express anger.